We have designed this mandir for easy DIY assembly, making it the simplest option for most customers. If needed, you can also hire a local carpenter or book a professional installation service through Urban. First, unbox the parcel and arrange all the panels neatly on a table as shown. If you plan to hang the mandir on the wall, start by placing the back panel in the desired position and mark the drill points. Drill 4 holes at the marked locations, insert the wall plugs and tighten the screws securely. Now let's move on to the mandir installation. Start with the bottom panel. You will find a small attachment piece provided with it. Install the piece first and then attach the bottom panel to the back panel. Next, install the middle panel followed by the top panel. Now carefully stand the mandir upright on one side. The next step is installing the doors. Both doors are identical, so either door can be installed on either side. Now it's time to install the side panels. Both side panels are also identical, so you can install either panel on either side of the mandir. After installing the first side panel, rotate the mandir and install the second side panel in the same way. Once both side panels are installed, place the mandir upright. You will have two remaining panels. Insert them into the slots provided at the top. Now your mandir is fully assembled. You can use it as a tabletop mandir or if you prefer to wall mount it, simply hang it using the screws that were installed earlier. Make sure the mandir is securely positioned on the screws before use. Thank you for choosing the Castle Decor.